Want to know how to uninstall the Playsee app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, removing the Playsee app is super simple. So right here, I have this app icon right here, so you can just hover on it, and now there are various ways to uninstall it. So just simply hold on to it once, select this trash can icon, and then select uninstall. This will remove it. Next thing is just simply hold on this app icon, head towards its app settings, and on the bottom middle you should be seeing uninstall. So you can just simply select it, and once you've selected uninstall, just simply select OK right here, and once that is done, your Playsee should be uninstalled. Next thing, you can just simply towards your Play Store as well, and then select or search for Playsee, and that here you should be seeing uninstall as well. Just simply select it and then select uninstall, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you uninstall your Playsee application in your Android application. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.